This is the LISEN bike phone mount. It's for mounting on your bike. I'm gonna mount it on my scooter and check it out. It's got shock absorption on it to keep the phone steady while you're riding, mountain bike, your regular bike, your commuter scooter, whatever you want to attach this to. So let's check it out. All right, in the box we have, this is the mount that goes on the handlebar. There's an instruction booklet, a QR code with an installation video, and the mount itself. You can spread these out to capture your phone. And then when you have it in place, you flip that to lock it in. That way it doesn't bounce out, jar out. Let's see. Look at that. Samsung S23 in a large, heavy-duty case. Fits right in there. That's awesome. Let's install it on the scooter and see what happens. First, you have this little ring. You unscrew that. Slide that over, a little horseshoe shape. Slide it over the handlebar. Make sure it grabs both sides. And then start tightening it down. All right, I'm gonna leave that a little bit loose. To mount this, you will unscrew the thumb screw piece and put it over the little ball joint. Pop the ball joint in and tighten this back down. All right. Then once it's where you want it, you make sure that's good and tight. Now we can place our phone in. Flip this to lock it. Now my phone is securely in place. It's not going to pop out while I'm riding, and I'll be able to have my navigation on my screen, music, whatever else I want while I'm commuting. It's right there. It's pretty nice. That's not going anywhere, so I can go ride my scooter and my phone will be right there the whole time. I like it. When I get ready to take my mountain bike out to just cruise around the neighborhood or go to the trails, all I have to do is unscrew this piece. This comes off, go slide that over the handlebar of my mountain bike, and then just tighten that piece back down. That's all there's to it. It's a nice quality mount. It does have the shock absorption. You see this right here. 4 shock absorbers right here to help reduce the vibration on the phone. I wonder if I angled it right. If I could record with it riding down the road. Might have to try that. I'm gonna try it.